Hello everyone. The next topic we shall be studying is about tuples. Now tuples is also a data type that is nothing but a sequence data type. It is almost similar to the list. Okay, what all things we have done in the list, the same rules are followed, but only one or two changes are there. Now these are being enclosed within the parenthesis and it is separated by a comma. Now tuples cannot be changed. When you say tuples cannot be changed means in the list we have seen that we can append a list, we can remove a list, we can add a list, but whereas in the tuples, once you have made a sequential data, you cannot change it. It is just like a read only list. Okay. Now the working with tuples in Python, we'll just take one small example wherein this is as per your textbook, that is hands-on approach. First we are taking fruits. Fruits are the variables which has been assigned with 4 values over here. One is apple, mango, banana and pineapple. Now these are being enclosed within the parenthesis and separated by a comma. Now next is when we want to know what type it is, then we need to write as type fruit. So the output what we'll be getting as tuples. If I want to know the length, of fruit, then I need to write the write as length fruits, then I'll be getting 4, since it is 4 over here, 4. Now similarly, if I want to know any of the values or any of the items at which position it is, then what I can do is I can write as fruit 0. So at 0 position apple is there. Now if I want to from the middle or from the end also, I can work on it, like over here fruits colon 2. That means apple is at 0 value, mango is at 1 value, so and banana is at 2. Since it is saying colon 2, that means before 2 it will take the value. So with what we'll be getting as output as apple and mango. Similarly, the thing that can be done with the tuples is you can combine the tuples. We already have taken the example of vegetables and fruits, or the same is being followed up. Now over here we have vegetables which is being assigned with potato, carrot, onion and radish, and fruit is already been assigned before. So what we are writing is over here eatables, which is equal to fruit plus vegetables. Now so eatables, if I write, I can get the combined form of eatables and tuples. Okay. Now over here the only thing that we can do to the tuples is combining. Remaining things cannot be done, that is appending, adding, removing and all those things. That means they are unmutable. The tuples are read only once. Okay. With this the tuples is over. We'll see in the next class about the dictionaries.